Are you confirming that His Excellency is in good health?
Even if he's not in good health, somebody can be sick and he will get better to do his travels. Question.
Good afternoon, Your Excellency.
Thank you.
Your Excellency, there are rumors going around that His Excellency, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, is currently hospitalized and very sick. And we can see that you're here in Maryland. Is this why you're here? Because we have not heard anything from you, sir.
Well, that is not the issue. The issue that I spoke to the president barely 1-2 hours ago, and president is in good shape. President have made some contact with some international community people and did Nigerian business, and president is preparing for his journey to Japan and a stopover in Brazil for a state visit. So anybody can be tired. Like 3 days ago, you can ask my daughter here, and I told her I wasn't going downstairs. And I've been upstairs for 2 days resting. Anybody can be sick. Anybody can feel not going out. I think the president just felt he wasn't going out. I want politicians to stop carrying these rumors. We need to be a collective people to work together to fix our economy. President Tinubu is on track. I'm here. I've spoken to congressmen. I've spoken to IMF. I've spoken to people in the World Bank. Honestly, President Tinubu and his economic policies are very harsh to Nigerians. And President knows that the people are suffering. And he sympathizes with them every day. Even when he spoke to me, he told me that his heart is to Nigerian people. But it's a necessary evil, necessary pill that we must swallow. So I know that people are suffering. And the president himself knows that people are suffering. I continue saying this because people are joking with the economic policies of the president. We were a consumption country before. President Tinubu wants us to be a productive country. We need to produce. We need to convert our agricultural products to goods. And I don't see why people are crying. I like him going to Brazil always because President Lula da Silva saw the same thing many years ago before he was elected in 2003. And this is how Brazil was. I know that I was there with President Thabo Mbeki for the swearing in 2003. So I want the friendship of President Ahmed Bola Tinubu and President Lula da Silva to continue because we are going to gain a lot from that friendship. And I believe that the economic policies of President Tinubu might be harsh today, but will be better tomorrow. We are doing dash. We are giving everything for free, but Tinubu is bringing back the economy where it's supposed to be. We have done so many good things. I'm part and parcel of this government because one, the president is my friend. Secondly, I'm a senator serving Abia North. And I cannot distance myself and a ranking member of All Progressive People's Congress. So we are doing everything possible. Nigerian people and politicians should stop these rumors. They should focus on what we are doing. We have done so many goods and will continue to be on track. I don't want to talk too much today. I will speak in the next 2-3 weeks on the economic policies. Thank you very much.
So, distinguished, are you confirming that His Excellency is in good health?
Even if he's not in good health, somebody can be sick and he will get better to do his travels. President is going to go into Japan and for a state visit in Japan, and he will come to Brazil for a state visit in Brazil and come back to Nigeria to go to United Nations in September. So President is in good shape. Let's stop all this nonsense, please.
Thank you, Excellency.
You see the kind of people that you people have in that country, as leaders. As far as I'm concerned, these people are tormentors. They are not leaders. Now, let me tell you, people, Akpabio is supposed to be going for this era that this Orji Kanu is going. Orji Kanu is supposed not to be going for all these things. And if Deputy Senate President started going to US doing all these things, who will be in charge of the Senate again? No Senate President. I reported in there that there was a news that Senate President was sick. And anybody, could be sick. Okay? Our body is not infallible. Sometimes we can get sick, even children, everybody, could be sick. But there is this principle of, public figures, public servants, politicians. If you are holding a public office, your life is not just yours. That is why they change your wardrobe, they give you car, they pay you, they do all those things. Even your children self, they pay them from the taxpayers' money, because your life is no longer yours. It has become a public life. So why is it that when you are sick, you hide your health? Because you don't want to go to hospitals in Nigeria. You want to fly to London to get, to hospital to spend like 5,000 euros or pounds every blessed day. You spend your money, you stay in a best hospitals, best hotels, best food, everything first class, and the people you are living are suffering. Now, about the ill health of the president, I saw it in the news that Tinubu was sick, that he's bedridden in Aso Rock, something like that. I didn't mind the news because I did not hear, I did not confirm it, so I took it as rumor until I hear from Orji Kanu. Orji Kanu is making me to confirm that, what they are saying, it could be true, that Tinubu is sick. Now, this is supposed to be a public announcement by Tinubu's assistants or, his media aides. If president is sick, what they ought to do is that you gave a publication. The president of so country is sick. For this period of time, he will not be able to go to US. Orji Kanu will be representing him because the Senate president that's supposed to go is also sick. They are not respecting you. They don't feel that you are a human being. They don't call you something. They see you as non-entity. You're not rich now. You're not rich for them to tell say then they sick or they won't travel, go outside country. You never reach. This is the problem. This is the problem. This is the problem. You know how many people that have died in this administration? Chief of Army Staff died. That Anambra Senator, he died. And so many other people, former senator died. Senate president is sick. While we wish them quick recovery, it is important for us to say the truth. So even though you die today, we will still say the truth. Even death cannot stop us from saying the truth, because we ourselves, we can die anytime. Okay? I might be a dead man tomorrow. It is only God that owns power. But let us do the right thing at the right time. Time is not on our side. Whatever you sow, you will reap. For you, Orji Kanu, I respect you. You are an elder man, and you are living your life. You have done best for yourself, not for Nigeria, okay? Not for Igbos, not for Hausas, not for Yorubas, not for anybody. You have done well for yourself, not for me. So what I have to tell you is this. You are almost 70 years, or you are above 70 years. At this age, I want you to focus on building your integrity. I want you to focus on reconciliation to your people. I want you to focus on sincerity. I want you to focus on what makes people happy. I want you to focus on truth. I want you to be a statesman that can tell all these leaders, your counterpart, the truth. But how can you do that? It's not barely how many years ago that you escaped from your corruption charges that led you to prison. I understand all these things. But it is time for you to speak the truth. Because time no longer, nobody knows whose turn it is tomorrow. It could be the younger person, it could be you, it could be president, it could be Senate president, it could be anybody. Say the truth, you are not going to die. Always say the truth. Tell them that they owe Nigerians transparency about their health status. We started having problems right from the time of Yaradua. Even when a president died, people were hiding it because they never wanted Goodluck Ebele Jonathan to become acting president. Even the person the Yaradua wrote letter to submit it to the Senate seized the letter because they never wanted Jonathan to act as a commander-in-chief because of the lessons of the past. If we see people gambling about the health of public officials and they are hiding it, I don't take the person serious and I will just cancel the person out of my heart. So, Orji Kanu, just be very careful about this.